Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up an Ecwid store, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the dashboard of my Ecwid store, and the way I did this is I just went to Ecwid, signed up with a free account without a plan, and it prompted me with a questionnaire which I filled out just to make sure my store is set up for a certain type. In my case, it's set up for services. However, once you make your store, you can pick and choose what you want to sell. Now, once you're there, you can set up all of these things. You can set up your website and storefront. In this case, it opened up a new tab. I'm not sure why, but you can go into website, go into overview, and edit the site from here. You can also edit the design, edit the SEO, edit the domain, and that is pretty much it. And you can just edit them however you want. They're all on the same tab, so you really don't have to click these links because they're all here. So you can just scroll through it and add whatever you want. You can also set up your products or services by going into catalog, go into products, and here you'll be able to add all of your products. You can bulk edit them, import them, or export them if you want to switch stores and have a paid plan. You can also set up your regional settings or choose how to deliver your goods by setting up your shipping and pickup. You can add shipping, local delivery, and self pickup. And you can also edit your payment options by going into payment. And as you can see here, you do have a lot of options which you can use for yourself. Whatever fits you best, you can enable it. In my case, only pay by cash has been added. However, you can add other different things. And that is pretty much it. You just need to set up your store however you would like, according to your wishes. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.